Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate mousse ice cream. First, gather all your ingredients like heavy cream, cocoa powder, and sugar. Make sure your mixing bowl and whisk are well chilled. This helps achieve perfect whipped cream. Then, gently melt your chocolate and combine it to create a smooth, rich base. This easy method ensures a delicious treat every time. Now it's time for the magic. Whip your very cold, heavy cream until it forms beautiful, soft, and airy peaks. Be careful not to overwhip it. Next, gently fold your prepared chocolate base into the whipped cream. The key here is to be delicate, preserving that lovely, airy texture. Ensure everything is smoothly combined for a truly decadent mousse. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And speaking of delicious treats, staying hydrated while you're in the kitchen is super important. I love my Owala water bottle for keeping my water cold and accessible. Check the description for a link to grab yours and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once your chocolate mousse mixture is perfectly combined, carefully pour it into a freezer-safe container. Make sure to cover it tightly. This prevents any unwanted ice crystals from forming, keeping your ice cream smooth. Then, simply place it in the freezer for at least 4 to 6 hours, or until it's wonderfully firm and ready to scoop. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.